girl. I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
Good morning everyone. Today we will be making soil moisture system and these will be the components which you will need to make it. These will be the components for today's project. This is the soil moisture sensor. This is the module to run the soil moisture sensor, an Arduino R4, a LCD with I2C shield strapped on its back, some jumper wires, and a burning cable for Arduino. For this project, it's totally your choice to use an Arduino R4 or an R3. I'll leave the code for both. Right now, I'll be doing the connections for Arduino R4 and I will leave the connections for Arduino R3 in the description. So, let's start by connecting the LCD to the Arduino. Here, I'll take 4 jumper wires to connect the I2C shield with Arduino. First, we have to connect the VCC and ground to the Arduino 5 volt and ground respectively. VCC will go to 5 volts and ground will go to ground. Now we have to connect the SDA and SLC of the I2C shield. In Arduino R4, we have special ports for SDA and SLC, so I'll be using them in this project. Now, as you can see, the connections for I2C shield is complete. Now, we will connect the soil moisture to the Arduino. First, we have to connect this soil moisture sensor with this shield. So, here I will be taking 2 wires to connect both of them. Next, here you will be seeing 4 pins, but we have to only connect 3 pins. The 3 pins will be A0, VCC and ground. The VCC will go to 5 volts or 3.3 volts. The ground will go to ground. And AO will go to analog. Now we can see all the connections are completed and now let's plug it in our PC and check if it's working. I'll be using this wire to connect Arduino with my PC. Now, as we can see that everything's up and running, the Arduino is powered up, the LCD is also working, and the soil moisture sensor is also on. So now let's move on to the code. Okay, so here this is the code, and to upload it we have to go here, and then we can see our Arduino listed here on port 7. We have to click here and then on this upload button. When we click on this upload button, it will show compiling sketch, then it will show uploading, and then it will show done uploading. Now as you can see, this LCD is on and it is showing values of the soil moisture. Right now I'll be using water to change the moisture level. Now my hands are wet, and as soon as I'll put this soil moisture sensor on my hand, you can see the values will change to 4000, or even in some cases it will go to 9000. And as soon as I remove it, it will show 1021. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.